So today we are going to see about freezing pane. With regard to freezing pane, now when the data is going to be running for many rows, like for example in this case the 503 rows are there. So when you move below a certain limit, you are not able to see the heading. That is why you are going to use for freeze panes, whereby you can see the heading any number of time you are using your rows, whatever rows you are using. So to freeze your pane, your rows can be freezed or your columns can be freezed. So accordingly you can make up your decision. So to go to freeze your panes, you have to go to View tab and click Freeze Pane down arrow. In that, when you want to freeze the top row, you have to click Freeze Top Row. Thereby the top row will be get freezed, and as a result of it, you could see that in one page you are able to see only 24 rows. Now when you freeze your pane, you will be able to see any number of rows, whereas the first heading will not be disturbed. This is how you have to do your freezing pane. Next is with regard to data sorting. Data sorting is used when you want to arrange some data in a horizontal way or in a vertical way. Like for example, in the case of marks, height, you can go for data sorting. So in this case, for example, I will take the data for weight alone. I am just copying this and putting it in a different column. This is how we have to do. So now only the weight data is been there. The weight is in different ways. For rank ordering also you can use sorting data. What you have to do is you exclude your label. You select the real data, variable alone. Then go to data and go for sort option. In data tab, sort option, you have two options to design: ascending order option and descending order option. So when you are going to choose it, it will tell you column wise, sort by. Weight will be sorted. It will be sorted on the basis of value and what is the order you want. When you want the small number to be first and large number to be the last, you have to choose this option. When you want the highest number on the top and smallest number on the bottom, you have to choose your smallest, and when you want to customize, you have to go for custom option. So we will see first with regard to smallest to largest. So immediately you could see the data what has been selected will get transferred into the sorted from small number to big number. So again I am going to do it for another option. Now I am going to do from big to small. So there again you should not choose the label, you should just choose the data, go for data and again sort option. Now if you want, you can expand your selection, that is also possible. Sort by, as I already told you, now I am going to choose smallest to largest option. Now the highest number is being given first. So this way we can do your sorting. This is what is with regard to data sorting. You have to decide when you want to do such type of data sorting. Next one, we will go for data filtering. This is also will help you in some type of data sorting, but this is in a different pattern. Here again I am just choosing one column data and placing in the separate row. Now what I want is this entire row I want to select, and I want to select only the people who are female. So now data tab, filter option. You could see there is a down arrow over here. Click the down arrow, unselect all and just select female. Now you could see only the female values will be displayed, and here again you could see some of the rows missing. It doesn't mean that the rows have been deleted. What it means is the other component, male or transgender, is been hidden. So like this you could see only the female options. Any number of rows and columns could be done. So now in this case, if you just want to count how many females have been shortlisted, how many females have been entering the data, you could choose the first cell and go on using your shift key and down arrow, go to the last row where the data has been entered. Now here it is very visible. After 500, 503 is there. So 501 and 502 is other than female. Similarly, after 97, 98, 99 is missing. That means it is other than female. Now when we have selected in the down row tab, you are able to see the count is 385. This is also another way of doing the counting. Okay. Next one. As I already told you, when you want to go to the top, you can go using your control plus home arrow. Now I just want other than female. So it is male I want. So now only the male is being displayed. In the same way, use your shift key and down arrow to count the number of males in the respondents. See, now it is 116. This is also another way of doing the counting. One more thing, if you want the phrase, now I have been using the third sheet first, then second sheet, then first sheet. This also can be changed. What you have to do is go to the sheet which you want to move, you get a square mark, bring it to the front, it will come to the first. This is sheet order changing. So I am changing the sheet to filter to third one. So this is the way in which sheet ordering can be changed.